In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Brain. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to connect it to your work, and how to get practical results fast. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the home area on the left side of your screen. This is your central hub. From there, look for Brain in the left side navigation. Click it to open the ClickUp Brain workspace. This is where the AI lives and where you'll interact with it. Once you're in, you'll see options to connect apps. Linking the tools you already use helps Brain understand your work context and pull in the right information. Connect only the apps you need and review permissions so Brain can reference your tasks, docs, or files securely. You'll also notice a suggested section. These are quick start options tailored to common workflows, so if you're not sure where to begin, pick a suggestion and let Brain guide you. Right next to that is Featured, a curated set of popular skills and templates that showcase what Brain can do, from drafting content to summarizing updates. Search is your next stop. Use it to find tasks, docs, and answers across your workspace. Try precise keywords, project names, or teammates' names to zero in quickly. If you have a lot of data, a specific phrase or filter will speed things up. There's a report area designed to help you gather insights. Here, Brain can help you summarize progress, surface blockers, or highlight upcoming deadlines using the information it already has access to. Keep your prompts clear, like summarize this week's completed tasks for marketing, to get structured, useful output. The Think and Create section is perfect for brainstorming and drafting. You can outline ideas, generate briefs, or refine copy. Give Brain context, your audience, goals, and tone, and ask for variations or edits to fine-tune results. If you need extra functionality, check out More Tools. This is where you'll find additional assistance and utilities that extend Brain's capabilities, helping with everything from rewriting messages to preparing stand-ups. You can also simply type what you want to do in the prompt box. Natural language works best. For example, create a task list for the launch plan with due dates next week. The clearer the request, the better the outcome. Need Brain to reference a file? Click the plus sign to attach it. This lets Brain summarize or extract details from your documents. Avoid uploading sensitive content unless your workspace policy allows it. Finally, click All Sources to choose where Brain should look, across everything or limited to specific spaces, tasks, or docs. Narrowing the scope gives focused answers. Broadening it gives a complete picture. That's it. Explore, iterate, and let ClickUp Brain streamline your work.